This is a kick activate tailgate opener or hand-free tailgate opener. It's a dual sensor, two sensors, and also this is a controller. You can plug in the sensor here. Plug in another sensor here. It comes with all the harness you need. Green wire connect to the door trigger. Yellow wire connect to ACC. That's for the protection. Red wire connect to constant 12 volts, and also black connect to the one. Also, it comes with two fuse and fuse holders. And that tape, and also the 3M sticky pad plug here. I had a single sensor, this kick activate, but I think that dual sensor was more dependable. Today I'm going to install that to my vehicle. I had a single sensor installed before, so I will replace it with the dual sensor today. To install the sensor, first step I need to take the rear bumper cover off. This is a 2017 RAV4 Limited. It has four parking sensors. Okay. Each side there are 3 screws on the bottom here. Remove these 3 screws both sides, and also there are 10 clips down there, and all these 2 screws remove. Here. Okay. Now I have removed both sides 6 screws. These are clippers. I have to remove the first one right here. Right here. Second one right here. Third one also. So another one here. Each side has 5. One. I cannot hold it. Both sides are removed. Okay, now we remove these 2 screws. It's ready to take the rear bumper off. See here, this one, you have to use a screwdriver, pull this out first. Then gently open this up. I do the same in this side. In this side, I still put one screw here. When I open this up, it won't drop because there is a sensor connection in this area. I don't want broke the wires. You guys can see this, the sensor right there. I have to disconnect this sensor first. This is the sensor I need to disconnect. Pull it out. Push this. Okay, it's off. Now I can remove the whole rear bumper cover. This is a rear bumper cover for 2017 limited. This is the sensor you have to disconnect, otherwise it cannot take off the bumper cover. I think 2016 and 17 are same. The rear bumper cover same. I'm not sure for the 18. And I installed the kick activate sensor control box here. These are two sensors. You see the area, trigger areas are pretty big, right? Actually, anyway you can put, you probably can put one right here. I'm not sure if you can do that. So now this is the wire connect to the inside. I think that goes to this area. Installation pretty easy. I will put a bumper cover back. First, that wire is long enough so I can plug in that wire. That one first. That's the kick activate sensor. Okay. Second thing, let me reconnect this plug. It's easy for me to take this off. You see this, there's a things here. I push out, then reconnect it. First one. See. Okay. Cool. My glasses. Same on this side. Oh. I will put this cover back. Everything is back. It's time to try it. A different area. Dew sensor, kick activate, tailgate, opener, install finished. If you have any question, send me email to czgu@juno.com. Thanks for watching.